Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about how to um, temperature conversions. Okay, I just forgot what I'm going to teach. So, as you can see sa thumbnail, mayroon naman ako mga na-write na formula. And let's just convert these things. Practice problems tayo. And I will explain it too. So, meron tayong 100 degrees Celsius. Convert natin sa Fahrenheit. So, para i-convert to, we just need to use the formula. Temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times temperature in Celsius plus 32. So, what we're going to do is substitute the temperature in Celsius. And then, just straight plug in into calculator. So, and then, yun na. That's the temperature in Fahrenheit. So, using our calculator, the answer is 212 degrees Celsius. So, don't forget the unit. I almost forgot the unit. So, degrees Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit pala. Okay. So, now let's go for our next problem, number 2. Let's say we have a 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Celsius. Let's convert it to Fahrenheit. So, ano to sa Fahrenheit? So, temperature in Fahrenheit is equals to 1.8 times temperature in Celsius plus 32. So, what we're going to do again is substitute the temperature in Celsius. And then, just do the math. Let's just plug it in our calculator. And then that's the answer. So 1.8 times 40 plus 32 is 104 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is 40 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit. So now let's solve more problems. What if we have our number 3? Let's say 48 degrees Fahrenheit converting into degrees Celsius. So what we're going to do here is just plug it into our formula. This temperature in Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 times temperature in Celsius plus 273. I mean, why I keep forgetting that number? It's 32. So let's just plug in the temperature in Fahrenheit. So 48 dun sa kaliwa. Then 1.8 times TC plus 32. And then let's just apply some algebras. Properties of algebra. And then yan. So 48 minus 32 is 16. Equals to 1.8 times temperature in Celsius. So what we're going to do now is divide both sides by 1.8. So using our calculator, the answer to this is 8.8 repeating degrees Celsius. So that's it. Now let's go to our fourth problem. So what if we have 130 degrees Fahrenheit? Let's convert this into Celsius. So what we're going to do is just use the formula once again. So temperature in Fahrenheit is equals to 1.8 times the temperature in Celsius plus 32. So let's just plug in 130 sa temperature in Fahrenheit is equals to 1.8 TC plus 32. So minus natin 32 here 32, cancel them. 130 minus 32 is 98 is equals to 1.8 temperature in Celsius. Now what we're going to do is divide both sides, or we can just do this, multiply both sides by 1.8. I mean 1 over 1.8, and it's just the same. So 98 divided by 1.8 is 54.4 repeating degrees Celsius. So let's do another problem. Let's say we have 25 degrees Celsius. Let's convert this in Kelvin. So this is another unit for temperature. Kelvin, Celsius, and Fahrenheit, they are the same. So temperature in Kelvin is equal to temperature in Celsius plus 273.15. So what we're going to do now is plug in the temperature in Celsius at 273.15. And we're just going to add them. And makukuha na natin yung temperature in Kelvin. So it's 298.15 degrees Kelvin. So let's go for our number 6. That's pretty easy. So number 6. Well, let's say we have a 500 degrees Kelvin dito. And then we're going to convert it in degrees Celsius. So once again, we're just going to use the formula. Temperature in Kelvin is equals to temperature in Celsius plus 273.15. So plug natin yung 500 dun sa temperature in Kelvin equals to temperature in Celsius plus 273.15. So what we're going to do now is subtract both sides by 273.15. So we can isolate the temperature in Celsius. And that's it. This will become 226 degrees Celsius. I mean 0.85 degrees Celsius. So that's pretty hot. Sunog na tayo niyan, no? So masanay tayo. We Filipinos are more. Masanay tayo if degrees Celsius yung sa atin, right? So let's convert 300 degrees Fahrenheit into Kelvin. So this is a two-way process. So what we're going to do now is temperature in Fahrenheit equals to temperature in Celsius times 1.8 plus 32. What we're going to do is just use some property of algebra, additive inverse property. So transfer lang natin dyan. And then we have 268 is equals to 1.8 times temperature in Celsius. So divide natin both sides by 1.8. So we will get, let's just approximate this value. We'll get 149 degrees Celsius. So hindi pa yun yung answer. We're still going to convert this into Kelvin. So in this formula, we can pretty much do some equation manipulation para mas okay yung formula natin. Pwede natin isolve yung temperatures dun sa formula ng Kelvin and then substitute dun sa temperature ng Fahrenheit. But I'm not going to do it in this video as ang conversion lang natin is ang video nito is just about one conversion units and not deriving formulas. So yeah, so ang temperature nito sa Kelvin is 422 degrees Kelvin. Oh, let's go for our number 8. So what we're going to do now is convert something, maybe much harder example. So let's say you have negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to convert this into degrees Kelvin. So once again, let's just write the formula. So this is a good way para masaulan nyo agad yung formula But it is better kapag may love kayo sa pag-write ng formula. Mas madali nyo masasolo kung meron kayong love. Love sa math, I mean. Okay. So, I'm just doing some algebra here. So, we got this negative 72 equals to 1.8 temperature in Kelvin. I mean Celsius. And then divide both sides na natin. So, we're still going to get a negative answer. This means this is cold. So, we got negative 40 degrees Celsius. So, this is pretty cold. So, para matransfer sa Kelvin, mag-add lang na tayo ng 273.15. So, we will get this. We will get 233.15 degrees Kelvin. So, that's it.